crypto people, I've been studying this market for a couple of months now, and I'm getting more and more wiser. I'm learning a lot. You know, I'm not no super investor or nothing. I invested $10 a couple months ago, made $80 from that, and I keep on reinvesting that same damn $10, okay? It is the same $10 I flipped. I done made my money back so long ago that the money is invisible to me. It don't even, you know, I done took that $10. Then one of the crypto was going up, and I done flipped it, made 20 off of that. Then another crypto was going up. Then I had made it 50. Then I split that 50 over like 13 different cryptos on board, like one of like 13 different ones. And now I watch the market and when it dip, my money dip. When it go up, my money go up. But it's only like one of everything. So my little watching them treat in the crypto market like stocks and just buying one and like two of the cheap ones, 0003 and all that, by like $2 worth. So that money literally got reinvested in the market, and I just watch it. I would never put my actual money in this. That for content purposes, I did it a while ago just to put the little $10 in to see if it worked. It did, but now I'm more wiser. I see this is nothing but gambling. If you are dealing with the crypto world, the best thing to do is just watch it. I like watching it. I'm not addicted to watching it, but I check this joint all the time. Like, oh, so people lost money today. That's why they upset. The rich people upset. Oh, that's why you see people with attitudes and stuff. Oh, the crypto market doing good today. I be picking up passengers. They be like either upset or happy. The ones who know what's going on, they be upset when it's a dip. But the ones who also know what's going on, some of them be happy about it. I get asked a lot about crypto, and I finally know what's going on enough to see I could have made a hell of a lot of money. If I invested in this stuff, I could have made a hell of a lot of money. But here's how I could have made money. Just like stocks work. Buy at the dip, and when it go up, oh, I came up. Like, it was at the ultimate dip last week. Boom, just like I said, it's gonna be right back up. I wanted to actually put information on here about dips and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, that means I'll be teaching you how to gamble, and I'll be helping y'all. Like, what if something go down and I was wrong? Or I ain't got time for that. I'm not that YouTuber. Study the market. Study the dips and when they go back up. Here's the number one thing that I've learned by studying the market. Everything in the news is a lie. Even when it's the truth, it's a lie. Don't believe nothing that you hear. Just believe that when it's dipped, and when it goes up, it's gonna go up. That's all. That's all crypto is. All the news about crypto is a lie. Everything. Even when DeepSeek hit the blah blah, yeah, DeepSeek tore it up for a while, and then if you would right now, it's right back up. And like at the end of the day, it might not be back up where it was, but listen, man, it's right back up. That's the crypto market. They make up a bunch of excuses on why it's at a dip. Even if it's telling the truth or even if it's true, doesn't matter because it will be back up. It's 2025. Everybody hip to the game and everybody want to come up. Too many people know about it. Too many people invested. It's trillions in this. You wonder how these people live out in the suburbs and stuff? They be doing crypto and stuff like that. They just sit in their crib, doop, come up. Shaba! So yeah, man. Anyway, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the like button. If y'all want me to start dropping crypto nudes, I mean, I can. It's just if y'all rock with it or not. What would that consist of exactly? Well, this week couldn't have been a bigger eye-opener for crypto people and Bitcoin people as the market crashed once again. For about the third or fourth time this year, just starting, and it's only February. The market done crashed 2 or 3 times so far. Now, most people, they got into crypto because of that daggone Trump coin or whatever. The Trump coin then got people, interested and invested and learning how crypto work, buying penny coins and buying crypto coins and etc. And how the blockchains work and the different Ethereum, Solana. We keep on hearing, XRP. We keep on names that we keep on hearing about that we definitely don't want to hear no more. That was the last video, and just like I said, what do we see here? Bitcoin, 93,000. You know what I'm saying? Last week we was just, oh no, everything's, like I said, in rich people world, that was called a sell. I ain't sitting up here spitting no BS. I literally show and prove. I literally just showing you, oh no, it's dipping right now, everybody, and then showing you. Now I could pretend to use a bunch of big words and manipulate you to think I'm the crypto guy. As you see here in the crypto market, you can see the liquidation of the thing. And what happened with Bitcoin is somebody invested 33 trillion. I could do that all day and manipulate y'all and then start selling y'all some course or some shit. I don't do that. I just keep it real with y'all about the truth about all of this crypto stuff. If y'all been following me so far, you clearly see it's the dip 1 week. It could be a couple days, couple weeks, it will be back up. That's about to be my slogan. You know what I'm saying? Now, I can't do that with individual cryptos, no. But when I talk about the market in general, I'm starting to notice that, yes, they all like follow Bitcoin and it will be back up. Shimon and I. Dead ass. I don't got time to be playing with my real money. This stuff is gambling. I wasted $10 and I'm still using it. I done made my money back a long time ago. I understand how it worked now. Thank God.